Hello, Happy New Year, and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I want to talk strictly about the contour feature in Cricut Design Space. This is a really great feature because it allows you to break the image down into different parts if it's an SVG or a simple file like the one you see here on the screen. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get right in and just kind of show you how I use it. For this particular image, the customer sent this to me just like this, but she sent instructions on how she wanted it to look. So I'm going to hide one of them because I'll do one at a time. So we'll focus on big. So this one should have white horns, white letters, and a black star. So I would duplicate it. Going to give me two, and since it's only two colors, I'll only need two of the images. I'm going to hit contour down here and pop up. It's working a lot better today. Normally it runs a little slow, but I won't jinx it. Okay, so white horns and white letters. So for this, I'm just going to hide the star, and you can click on it, highlights, like everything is showing it, or you can go hide all contours. And there's always one thing still lit here, but click the star and then click the item that was automatically highlighted. You're only left with the star. So there's two ways you can do that. You can either click directly on it or do it over here in this column. Once you get it set the way you want, you just close that out. And there we have our star. So for this one, I'm going to contour it and I'm going to hide the star because I have it on the other image. So I'm just going to click directly on it, close that out, and I'm left with my horns. Now for this one, white horns, white letters. So all we have to do is simply turn it to white and a black star. Okay. So what I'll do then is I select all here and I go over to the alignment and I hit center horizontally to make sure that it's lined up evenly. Okay. And that's ready to go. So another big should have white horns, white letters, and a pink star. So that's simple. I'll just duplicate it. Okay. And I'm just going to click over here under my layers column. And I just want to select the star. Just going to go up here and turn it pink. That easy. All right, so that part is done. These are done. Change the size on them. Group it, so I'm just having to select that. Select all, group. I'm going to hide that group. All right, so now I'm just going to go to the next one, the last one here. Go ahead and size it up front. All right, so this one is GG big. It's only going to be one. White horns, white letters, pink star. Again, duplicate. Go down here to contour. Gonna hide the star. Close it out. Turn that white. This one, contour. I'm going to hit hide all contours. Select the star. I'm going to deselect the horn and I'm going to close that out. And I'm going to turn that star pink. Okay. I'm just going to slide that right up. Select all, align, center horizontally. I'm just going to group that. So that's pretty much how you use the contour feature. It only works on, like I said, the SVG images or your cut images when you upload them. So you can use it to basically break down an image that you can get off Google and make something for yourself with it. But you can go in there and change those colors if you need to. So it gives you a few layers. Yeah, that's it. If anyone has any questions, feel free to email me or drop them below in the comments. But thank you so much for watching.